Yeah, things have been interesting since Cooper got the surgery. I mean, he's been talking about this for a while, so I'm happy for him, but I don't know why he went through with it.
Yeah, having guns for hands, it's pretty fucking sweet.
It's kind of annoying.
Pew, 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 motherfuckers! Pew, 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 pew. It's some bullshit, is what it is.
I mean, it has its drawbacks. Damn it. But come on, it's guns for hands.
We can't really take him anywhere anymore.
Oh yeah, baby, let's go!
Son of a bitch!
Oh,
Are you
shit.
fucking serious?
Oh, I'm sorry.
I mean, look at this.
If they don't like it, they can just move out.
Hey, Coop, can I change the channel? Okay.
I think I'm gonna keep them.
We're moving out.